Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a footer menu to your Selldone store. A footer menu helps improve navigation and gives quick access to important pages like contact info or policies. Let's jump right in and get it set up. From Store Panel, click on Settings. Next, go to the Menu tab where you can add both header and footer menus. Select Footer menu. Click Add to create your menu. Organize the menu and close. Some pre-built pages like Contact Us, Terms, Privacy, and About Us can be found in dashboard pages. If you'd like to use a custom-designed page, select Landing Pages from the top menu and choose from the list. Just make sure you've already created the designs. If the default titles don't suit your needs, you can easily change them. For example, change Community to Forum by double-clicking the title box. Now advance to the upcoming steps. Make sure to save the menu, and you'll see the footer added to your store. You can also add multiple languages to your footer titles. Just make sure the languages are already added to your store. If not, head to Settings Localization to add them. Click on the Auto Translate option, and Selldone will automatically translate your content using Google's Enterprise version. Well, that's all for today. Now you know how to add a footer menu to your Selldone store. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more Selldone tips. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.